everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, then hi, my name is Shubhangi and thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I will be letting you know 6 grooming tips to get yourself more groomed up, or if in case you don't know about it, then you have the right video to check it out. So if you want to know what are the 6 tips, then please keep on watching. So the very first point has to be very basic, but still we need to keep in mind, and kabhi kabhar we do forget it, but let me break it to you, is that steam or iron your clothes, okay? No matter what fabric you wear, it is absolutely very unpleasing to have a look jo kapde creased hote, okay? Don't even get me started how shabby does that look. Even if you're wearing a very expensive outfit, the side does not look put together at all. Now fabrics like satin, silk, ये सब थोड़ा जल्दी crease up होते हैं as compared to cotton, crepe and all, okay? If you're wearing a satin, you're sitting, okay? You have ironed your clothes, but if you get up, बहुत आराम से क्रीज हो जाने वाली है. सो प्लीज कीप इन माइंड कि आप जो भी कपड़े पहन रहे हो, इट डज नॉट गेट क्रीज अप दैट इजीली. Moving on with the second point, don't wear a chip nail paint. Just for the sake of video, I have kept it to show you how ungroomed does that look. Just have a look at this. Like, I am not even asking you to get yourself a manicure every single month if you cannot do that in this time especially. But the least I'm asking you to do is take a nail remover, just remove all the nail paint. Even that side which you don't have a nail paint looks more groomed compared to having this chipped nail paint. Like, immediately it just puts your whole aura or whole outfit which you have worn, which might be very good, gets it down. Trust me at that. So please try removing your nail paint very often. If you cannot get yourself a manicure, and if you can get yourself a manicure, then voila, congratulations. Okay, so the third point has to be taming your frizz, okay? Whenever you're going out, no matter at home, you do see that there is no frizz and stuff like that, but when you reach the venue, you might notice when you're going for your touch-up that there is frizz in your hair, or the baby hair is coming out from here and there, which is certainly the first thing you need to tame that. I mean, it does look very funny, to be honest, okay? So what you can do, if you're out, carry a hairspray. If you don't have a hairspray, just take some water, rub it in between your palms, and just put it like this, just tame it like this, and you will actually notice all the frizz or all the baby hair tames down very easily. Try this hack out. Now the fourth point is, I know many girls do this, but still, in case if you don't, I just want to mention this, that get rid of facial hair, okay? If you cannot go to a parlor for get your eyebrows threaded, totally understand, been there, done there, especially in quarantine time. I mean, this lockdown times, every single girl have faced this issue. So the solution which I've come up with, just get yourself a normal tweezers and just pluck excess. जो भी excess यहाँ पे नीचे होता है ना, उसको भी आप निकाल सकते हो. Or if you want to get rid of your upper lips, of course it is not possible to tweeze each and every single that fine hair out. You can just get yourself a normal face razor, Amazon say, and that'll do your job, okay? And trust me, just when getting rid of these unwanted hairs, your face looks so put together, like ऐसा लगता है कि फेशियल करा के आए हो, जबकि एक्चुअली जस्ट हेयर रिमूव किया है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. I will not suggest bleaching, because every single time you bleach, you're chemically treating your skin, which I don't think so it's safe to do, like itni often, itni jaldi, to be honest. So I think shaving is the best way, or threading though is my priority, but of course I cannot go to the parlor and get myself threaded on my face. So this is what I've been doing, and I will suggest you guys to try it out for yourself. Now, the fifth and the very important point has to be hands down that please keep a check on your odor, okay? अगर आप खुद इतनी hygiene maintain करते हो ना, to be honest, leave about others, you yourself will feel very much refreshed and very much, up. गर्मी सबको ही होती है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आई टोटली अंडरस्टैंड, बट डू योर सेल्फ अ फेवर, कैरी जस्ट वो स्मॉल रोल ऑन वाला जो परफ्यूम्स होता है ना, यू जस्ट कैरी दैट, यूज इट वेन एवर यू थिंक you start up getting stinky or something like that. Just do that. I think that will be the best thing to do, and also you yourself will feel very much freshen up. Trust me at that. Try it yourself and do let me know how do you feel about it. So the last and certainly not the least is exfoliate your skin. I become very anxious and very cringy to whenever I see anybody's skin flaking up. Like I don't know why, but बहुत ही उलझन होती है, like अजीब ही लगता है बिल्कुल, वो देख के बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता. Leave about it's soothing your eyes, but to me I don't know why, it just cringes me a lot to see that. Trust me, I am not even asking you to get yourself expensive, exfoliators from the market. You can just simply DIY at your home coffee, honey, and a tablespoon of your favorite oil, whatever, almond, जो भी oil लेना है, just take that and scrub it all over your body, and that will moisturize your skin and exfoliate it at the same time. Like so good. Oh my god, even the smell of coffee हल्का हल्का रह जाता है. To be honest, it is the best DIY which even I use, to be honest. जो भी season हो, you get yourself a light moisturizer, body moisturizer, if it is summers. But if it is winter, get yourself a nice body butter, lather it up, sleep at night. In morning, you will wake up with a baby soft skin, trust me at that. So yes, that was all about the grooming tips that I have for you guys today. If you did like my video, then please give it a big thumbs up and also share my video. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.